Hello everyone, it's Lynn Pajan here. Today's vlog is what is inside in the bags. So tara guys, let's watch this. Today I received my small package from UK. My son is so excited to open what is this inside. Okay, Nak, let's open the box. So my son is asking what is inside the box, and he is the one who opened this. So, can you open the box?
Okay, maybe.
What is that inside? Maybe it's a toys?
No, it's a mini turtles.
That's a many turtles.
Toys.
Many turtle toys. So I expect that's a toys, but it's not. I ordered it 2 weeks ago, so just received now.
You open.
Mommy, I want to open this. So this is now. He got it. What is inside in the box?
Sticker.
Oh, that's a sticker.
No.
So can you open that? Oh, there is a lot of sticker. This now, wow! This is my grandparents. So, guys, this is my mother and father. They're in heaven already. So, this is our family photos. So, every year we have our family photos for Christmas. So, this is our family photos last December. So this is for today. That's photo tiles that I ordered in UK. Thank you, Kian, for helping mommy.
Thank you.
So thank you. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for notification. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.